I guess today I'm going to show you how to put your rear bumper back on, because for so many of you wasn't understandable, because it can be tough time to time if you have never done that. You have to kind of attach the back side first. I don't need to lift the car up, just start from the side. It doesn't matter left or right, wherever you're comfortable with it. So, line this part up, click it, and I'm gonna push those parts back in there. Hopefully you can see it clearly. So, and then you go to the right, or left in my case, and start your way through it. You've kind of to pull this up a little bit. It can be hard if you're doing it alone. So I'm gonna restart again from the side. For the moment I'm gonna leave it like this, and then go here, try this side again. This way was much easier. Now you put back your clips back in, and then here you go, and then you're done. You don't need to lift the car up, just go underneath and find the hole and put it back in. Second one comes right here in my case. Two in the middle, one right here. That's tight. Moving to the other one. find the matching one. I guess I still have some. Maybe this would fit. This one. Doesn't seem like I have the matching one. This could work. So find a hole and then so that's it, tight. Thanks for watching. That was everything for today. I'll appreciate your comments, likes and subscribe. But also don't forget to put those two small ones right here. And that's it. So thanks for watching. See you soon again.